Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is consignment introduction. Need of a consignment. Nowadays, it is quite common that manufacturers or wholesale dealers dispatch the goods to their agents at home and abroad to increasing their sales. So, the knowledge of local condition is well-known person that is called an agent in a consignment accounting. He reduced the proofs useful in increasing the sales. So moreover, it is very expensive for their manufacturers and to sell their goods directly or indirectly to the home or foreign market. Therefore, different agents are appointed in different places. So this is the need of for consignment. Nowadays, it is quite common that manufacturers or wholesale dealers dispatch their goods to their agents at home for increasing their sales. It is well known and abroad to increase their sales. That is the knowledge of local conditions is well known person that is called an agent in consignment accounting. He reduced the proofs useful increasing the sales. Moreover, it is very expensive for the manufacturer to sell the goods directly either home market or in the foreign market. Therefore, different agents are appointed in different places. So what is the meaning of consignment? A shipment of goods by the manufacturers, shipment of goods or manufacturer or wholesale dealers to an agent to be sold on commission basis, and risk is and account form known as consignment. A shipment of goods manufacturer or wholesale agents to be sold on commission basis, sold by him on commission basis, and risk and account and form known as consignment. The person who sent the goods to an agent to be sold by him on commission basis is known as consignor. Sold by him on commission basis is called as consignor. The person whom goods to sell for sale or commission basis is called consignee. The person who sent a goods sale for commission basis is called consignee. In other words, he is an agent to whom goods are sent for selling. That is called consignee. This is called the person who is sent the goods to the agent to be sold by him on commission basis is called consignor. The person whom the goods to be sent on consumer basis, commission basis is called consignee. So consignment account introduction once again. Need for a consignment. Nowadays it is quite common to the manufacturers or wholesaler dealers to dispatch their goods to their agents at the home or abroad to increase the sales. To the increase the knowledge of conditions is well known person that is called an agent in consignment accounting. He reduces the proves useful the increasing sales. Moreover, it is very expensive for their manufacturers to sell their goods directly or in the home market or in foreign market. Therefore, different goods or agents are appointed in the different places. So, what is the meaning of consignment? The shipment of a shipment of goods by a manufacturer or wholesale dealer to an agent to sold by him on commission basis on risk and account of form is known as consignment. A shipment of goods by by an agent or wholesale dealer to sold on commission basis on risk and reward and account to be formed is known as consignment. The two persons are involved in the consignment, that is called consignor and consignor. What is consignor? Who is consignor? The person who sent the goods to an agent to be sold by him. The person who sent the goods to the agent to be sold by him on commission basis is called consignor. The person to whom goods sale on commission basis is called consignee. This is the meaning of consignee. Next, what is the difference between sale and consignment? Sale and consignment. Sale and consignment. The person who sent the goods to an agent sold by him in commission basis is called consignor. The person to whom goods are sent for sales or commission basis is called consignor. So okay, this is the introduction. So moving to the difference between sale and consignment. The sale of a property is transferred by a buyer immediately. So we continue tomorrow.